Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we had CPI inflation data today, which caused gold to go up to the 78%. This morning I was talking about how it probably was going to go up to one of these levels. Now I still think my morning analysis is very likely correct. But boy, gold has really been messing with me people today. I don't really trade gold that heavily, but boy, look at this up, down, up price action. Whew, probably a dream for scalpers, but definitely not for a day trader. But anyways, like I said, my morning analysis is still very valid because really nothing happened on gold today besides trapping retail traders on the buy and the sell side. So for me, I'm still looking at this move up as being a very overlapping corrective pattern, possibly to the last three waves down. Definitely looking for a break of structure to the downside that holds. Price did break structure today, but it rejected it almost instantly. Definitely looking for a break of structure to the downside after a Fibonacci bounce to confirm a much bigger move to the downside. Anyways, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.